Good morning, students. In today's video, we'll learn about the first unethical practices which is mostly common in the internet, and that is plagiarism. So plagiarism is literal theft. It means taking away another's production without trading the source. It is a serious offense and an act of fraud. That means plagiarism can be related to the literal meaning of the word stealing. Plagiarism means when someone steals someone's original work and portrays it or shows it as their own. Now, plagiarism is categorized into 5 different categories depending on how the work has been stolen from the original creator. The first is ghostwriter. A ghostwriter is generally referred to a writer who authors books, manuscripts, screenplays, and etc., who does not get any credit for doing the actual work. They author or they write the original script for someone else, and that particular person pays the original author or the writer, and the person who is paying gets the credit for all the work that has been done. Second is photocopy. The writer duplicates noteworthy bits of content straight from a solitary source without modification. That means the person we are referring to as the plagiarizer or the thief copies down some of the notes or most of the notes from the internet or from other sources, literary sources, and they write down as their own product. The third is the potluck paper. The writer tries to camouflage literary theft by replicating from a few distinct sources, tweaking the sentences to make them fit together while holding the greater part of the original phrasing. The writer attempts to hide his act of plagiarism by skillfully combining contents from different sources and putting them together in a way that they seem to be original. So here, the person again copies down different literary sources from different places, but in here they also add some of their own contents, or they try to modify the original content in such a way to make it look like that it is something that has been written by their own, which cannot be caught by someone else if they are not well versed or well known about the original author or the original write-up that has been from which it has been copied. The fourth is the labor of laziness. The author takes the time to paraphrase a large portion of the paper from different sources and make it all fit together, as opposed to spending the same effort on unique works.